In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive files, just in about 3 minutes. Let's start by getting you into your OneDrive account. To do this, we'll first navigate to the Microsoft website. Once there, you'll find a Sign In option prominently displayed. Clicking on it is your first step towards accessing your OneDrive. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. It's important to input the email address associated with your Microsoft account correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you've typed it in, proceed by clicking Next. The following step will require you to enter your password. Make sure to input your password accurately to ensure a smooth login process. If it's been a while and you've possibly forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it. Once you've entered your password correctly, click Next to move on. You'll be asked whether you'd like to stay signed in on this device. If you're using a personal and secure device, clicking Yes might be convenient for future access. However, if you're on a shared or public computer, it might be safer to opt out of that option. After successfully signing in, you'll want to navigate through Microsoft's dashboard to find the OneDrive service. Look for the All Microsoft option, click on it, and from the drop-down or the new page that loads, select OneDrive. This will take you closer to the space where all your files are stored. In the scenario where you're not already signed into OneDrive, you'll need to click on Sign In again, using the same credentials as before. This ensures that you're accessing the right space where all your files reside. Once you're on the OneDrive dashboard, also known as OneDrive Home, you'll want to locate the My Files tab. This is where all your uploaded or saved files reside. It's essentially the main hub for your storage on OneDrive. Now, here's where the core of our tutorial begins. To delete a file, you'll need to find the specific file you wish to remove from your OneDrive. Once you've located it, look for a three-dot icon, often referred to as More Options or Additional Options, situated beside the file name. Clicking on this icon will reveal a list of actions you can take on the file. Among these options, you'll find Delete. Go ahead and click on Delete to remove the file from your OneDrive. This action will typically move the file to the recycle bin where it stays for a certain period, allowing you to recover it in case of any mistakes before it's permanently deleted. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to delete files from your OneDrive account in just about 5 minutes. A quick tip before we wrap up: regularly organizing and cleaning your OneDrive can not only help keep your digital space clutter-free but also ensure that you're utilizing your available storage efficiently, especially if you're on a limited plan. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps you manage your digital files better, whether you're tidying up or making room for new files.